Module 13.3, page 408. Problem number 3. The graph shows the relationship between the number of hours a kayak is rented and the total cost of the rental. Write an equation of the relationship, then use the equation to predict the cost of a rental that's 5.5 hours. So 2 parts to this. This one isn't ideal because none of these points are really on both an x and a y coordinate. So we just have to take for granted that they are in the middle. So if we use this one, that ordered pair is 4. This is counting by 20s. That would be 110. And this point, which would be 6. And what would that be? 150. So to find our slope, it is change in y over change in x. M equals 150 minus 110 over 6 minus 4. And so that is 40 over 2. So our slope, 40 divided by 2, slope is 20. So we know y equals 20x, and now we plug in coordinates. Let's just use this first one we had, 4 and 110. So 110 is y for 4 hours. So 110 equals 80. No, it doesn't, so we have to add b, and now we subtract 80 from both sides. So b equals 110 minus 80 is 30. So that's our b. So our equation is y equals 20x plus 30. So this is half of our answer. The other half is, okay, how much does it cost when you rent it for 5.5 hours? So we're simply going to plug in 5.5 for x. So y equals 20 times 5.5 plus 30. $20 times 5.5. Just add a 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Move the decimal over once, so that is 110. Y equals 110 plus 30, so y equals 140. So for 5.5 hours, it costs $140. So these are our answers for number 3.